Lamasosha akulawo ayishumi nantathu ase-DRC ukuyogcina ukuthula abulawa yi-M23 ngaseGoma kuleli viki esiliphetha namuhla. Amasosha ayisikhombisa kulawa abeyingxenye yamabutho akuleli ayejutshwe e-DRC ngoZibandlela ka-2023 njengengxenye yombutho onamalungu ayi-16 e-SADC kanti amabili ayingxenye ye-MONUSCO. Ukhulumela iqembu i-DA kwezokuvikela uthi amasosha akuleli awakulungele sidalo ukubhekana ne-M23 e-DRC.
We should withdraw from the DRC. It'll take time to withdraw, but we've got no business there. It's no longer a peacekeeping mission. This is a civil war and has now escalated into a more conventional war with Rwanda joining the fight formally in the DRC.
Owayeyilungu le-DA yePhalamende uKobus Mare ugxeke uhulumeni ngokuqhambukela ey'nxushunxushwini lelizwe elingangeni kuzo.
This is not our war, let's be honest about that. And it's not a huge bloc that is fighting there. There's only three members of SADC that who are fighting in the DRC. What is making this more unreasonable or illogic, in my opinion, is that the immediate SADC neighbors of the DRC, specifically Angola and Zambia, they are not part of this conflict, and somehow they apparently don't see this as a threat.
Amanye amaqembu ombusazwe kuleli ayigxeke kakhulu indlela okusingathwe ngayo ukulimala kwamasosha.
President Ramaphosa must also account, and it is unacceptable that he's still in Davao. After this tragedy played out, he should have boarded his plane immediately, flew back to South Africa, came and presented his condolences to the families who have been inflicted this terrible loss, and he should have addressed the nation.
It is almost criminally negligent to send South African soldiers so far from home without an operating base nearby, with air support, with additional inventory by way of ammunition and other support in case of an attack like this. And lastly, failure of intelligence in predicting that this was going to happen.
Kuqine kakhulu ukulwa eGoma nonyaka. Kulempi kushone izindimbane zezakhamuzi ezingahlomile ezithelwa amachaphazela. Amazwe afana ne-UK, iFrance neMelika asenxuswe ukuba izakhamuzi zawo zishiye iGoma.